Today, I'm going to show you how to install and get started with Microsoft Copilot on your iPhone. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar at the top, type in Copilot and hit search. Look for the Microsoft Copilot app and tap the Get button to install it. Once it's downloaded, open the app. You'll be greeted with an option to either sign in with your Microsoft account or continue without connecting an account. Choose whichever works best for you. Next, Copilot will ask you for some basic information, like your name. After that, it will request permissions for notifications, location, and other settings. Grant the ones you're comfortable with to ensure the app works smoothly. Now you're all set to make your first prompt. For example, you can type something like, "Write me a song," and Copilot will get to work creating something amazing for you. And there you have it. You're ready to explore everything Microsoft Copilot has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.